Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video, I'm gonna give away a £3,000 gift credited to somebody in the next couple weeks or so. I'm really tired of hearing people's excuses, man. I'm tired of hearing people say, I'm too young, I'm too old, I'm too broke, I live away too far, my country's no good. I'm just tired of it. When I started out in property, guess what? I could have come up with many reasons why I couldn't do it. I was 17 years old, so I'm too young. I couldn't get a mortgage. I was skint, had no money. I wasn't from a family of property investors. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. Geez, it was 2008 when I started. The brink of a massive recession, a global recession. There could have been so many reasons why I'm out. I can't do this. But you know what? When I started out, 17, I didn't even list the reasons why I couldn't. Instead, I listed the reasons why I could. Instead, I'm thinking, I'm healthy, I'm hungry to succeed. I'm from a good family that support me and believe in me. There's free training around. There's seminars and programs on that I can go to for free. I'm living in England, which is a great country. I'm prepared to do whatever it takes. I listed the reasons as to why I can do this. I'm thinking if anyone can do it, I can do it, and here's why. And I listed those reasons, and I'm gonna give you a challenge in a minute. But firstly, I believe that when you do that, when you list the reasons why you can, instead of listing the reasons why you can't, when you list what you've got going for you, not what you've got going against you, what happens is, number one, it makes you more attractive as a person, more attractive as a joint venture partner. But secondly, it makes you 100 times, probably 1,000 times more likely to succeed. So as I want you to succeed, here's your challenge. I want you to write a list of all the things that you have going for you, all the reasons why you can and why you will succeed. I want you to list as many as you can, and then I want you to post that list as a comment on this YouTube video. If you list lots and lots and lots of reasons, but they're not real reasons, and I think they're a bit weak or a bit stupid or irrelevant, then maybe we'll take some off. But the person that can list the most reasons, I'm gonna be crediting a £3,000 gift to you. And you'll be able to use that £3,000 credit to any of my training programs, which is gonna mean that you're gonna be on your journey to financial freedom. And with a can-do mindset and the training, you're gonna kill it. So I'm looking forward to making someone financially free. Last year, I made 52 people financially free. This year, I'm trying to double it and make 104 financially free. So far, we are in the 70s. It's gonna happen. So comment below, list your reasons, and let's do this.